Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Talks. In today's video, I'm going to explain about the conditional formatting in Salesforce. Okay, first let me show you what is the conditional formatting. So this is the account object record. So if you go here, this is one of the custom field I have created. Here we can see the red color icon is displayed here. Okay, so this is called the conditional formatting. So we can display um, some icons based on some conditions. Okay, so this is customer satisfaction score. So I have configured like if it is less than 5, it should show the sad face. If the score is 5, it will show the neutral face. So you can see it is a neutral face. The score is between 6 to 9. It will show smiling face. You can see this is purple color smiling face. So if it is 10, it will show the happy face. Okay. So this is called conditional formatting. This is how you can use this icon for any of the fields in the Salesforce object. Okay. Let me show you how I configure this one. So this can be used only in the Lightning record page where you have enabled the dynamic forms. Okay. So if you go to this page, you can see this icon. Okay. So if this orange color icon is displayed, that means for that field, we have configured the conditional formatting. So if I click here, you can see in the conditional formatting, I have created a rule set. If I click edit rule set, you can see all the rules I have configured. So if the score is 10, it will display green happy face. If it is 6 to 9, then purple smiling face. If it is 5, it will be showing the orange neutral face. If it is less than 4, it will show red color sad face. So that's how I have configured. So other than this face, there are many other icons is there. Let me show you how to configure from the beginning. So this is another custom object I have in my org called orders. So here what we are going to do, we are going to configure the conditional formatting for two fields. Okay. So if the order value is greater than 10,000, we are going to display some thumbs up. If it is less than 10,000, we are going to show thumbs down symbol. And if the status is delivered, we are going to display the green color um, tick. If it is cancelled or in progress, we are going to configure some other icons. Okay. First, go to this Lightning record page. If you have not upgraded your object into the Lightning record page, if you are still using the page layouts, you will not be able to use this feature. Even if you have upgraded to the Lightning record page, you should have upgraded to the dynamic forms. So here we can see this page is not upgraded to the dynamic forms. So I'm clicking and then I am upgrading to the dynamic forms. If you want to know more details about the dynamic forms, I have explained in another video. I will add the link in the description. So now it is upgraded to the dynamic forms. So if I go to the order value field, here we can see conditional formatting. As of now, there are no rule set is created. So click and then click create rule set. And then click next. So in the rule set, we can create multiple rules. Okay. So here in the icon, you will be able to choose the icons. So as of now, these are all the icons provided by Salesforce. Okay, so here what we are going to do, if the order value is greater than 10,000, we are going to show the thumbs up symbol. So I'm choosing thumbs up. And then here we can configure the color, what color you want to display. So I have chosen green color. So this is the preview. And then here you can provide the conditions. So order value greater than or equal to 10,000. So you can add multiple conditions as well. You can combine multiple fields as well to display this icon and then click next. I'm creating another rule to show the thumbs down. So here, thumbs down, and I'm choosing red color. So here the condition is the order value is less than 10,000. Okay, next, save rule set. That's it. For the status, so here I'm going to create another rule set. Click next. So here, if the status is delivered, I'm going to show in this solid circle with check. So I'm choosing green color. So this is means delivered. So here status equal to delivered. Next, so here we are going to display the red color cross symbol with the red color, and the order status is cancelled. Next, and then I'm going to show on this in progress symbol. The order status is shipped. Okay. Save rule set, and then save this page. Yeah, activate, assign it to org default. Okay, it's saved. If you go back to the record page, we'll be able to see the conditional formatting. So here you can see the order value. We set the condition 10,000 or greater than 10,000. So if we change the value to 8,000, and if we change the status to shipped, it will show the in progress one, spinner one. So here also you can see it is showing red color thumbs down. So if we change the status to cancelled, it will show red color symbol, cross symbol. So the status is delivered, then it will show the green color symbol. So this is how you can improve the user experience in our Salesforce org. So there are some limitations as well. Before that, you can use this conditional formatting for all kind of fields almost. For text, pick list, number, auto number, even for roll-up summary fields, we can use it. The limitations are per record page, I mean Lightning record page, you can have up to 15 rule sets, and each rule set you can have up to 10 rules, and single rule you can have up to 10 conditions, and you cannot refer any cross object formula fields in your conditions. That these are all the limitations. I hope this will be useful for you. Thanks.